Today, we're ranking the most helpful dogs ever.
Come on. Leave it. What is that? Is that $50? Yo!
Who needs a tripod when you have a corgi? This dog is playing the most important role.
There you go. Go left, left.
Wrench.
There you go. Good.
There? Yeah, there you go.
This helpful dog got sabotaged. Golden retrievers hate to see people suffer. Now this is some teamwork. Lazy, you're a genius.
Go, boy.
This is your sign to get a Great Dane.
120-pound dog, 250-pound dog. He is bigger than the playset.
This dog is only 4 months old and already too big for everything. So big and still so needy. Not even 3 people can lift this beast.
1, 2, 3. Oh my God!
Who knew Great Danes could be so dramatic? If you get a Great Dane, expect it to walk you.
What? Is there a way I can help?
So big he's used to ducking under everything.
Everybody thinks that she's so big. Guys, she's the tiniest thing.
When Mama starts counting, you know you're in big trouble.
No. Go. 5, 4, 3.
Dad's voice put the fear in Marco. We all have that one sibling that always snitches.
Oh, Mom! That's what I thought.
The I'm sorry leg hug.
Biting this. You being a bad.
No one's gonna save this pup from Mama.
¿Quién hizo esto? ¿Quién hizo esto? ¿Quién hizo?
The pure fear from that word.
Mom!
If he can't see me, he can't shout at me.
Flip-flop. Who's cuddling with my flip-flop? Joey, is this you?
These police dogs might need a little extra training.
Ducky, this is Max. Y'all could be friends.
Of course, the husky is the lazy one. All bark until Big Dog comes around. I'm not sure this is part of the training. This first dog is small but mighty. He might be small, but he sure is mighty. This dog was caught lacking. This is your official sign to get a black cat. There's no hiding from a black cat.
No! What are you doing?
This is literally a thing of nightmares. Can they all stay this cute? I feel like he's trying to communicate. Never put a ginger cat and a black cat in the same room. Black cats love to do the most.
Get off the TV.
I didn't mean it like that. No.
Dogs will do anything to cool down in this heat.
Yeah, boy.
Gigi is cooling off no matter what.
Gigi! Stop!
This dog has the ultimate setup right now. This dog is living his best life. This is genius. This is one cool pit bull. This looks like the dream right now. Someone needs to blast the AC up. This dog knows how to help himself. These are reasons why you can't let your dog near water.
Oh my god!
Where is he?
He's right there.
Oh my god.
Okay, go see mom.
And this is why we wear our life jackets. This was impressive until the end. This sounds like me after a night out. At least she had her life jacket on.
Yep, there she goes.
First time at the beach and the last time.
Oh, no, no.
That's one way to cool down in this heat wave. Today, we're ranking dogs experiencing snow for the first time.
Boy! Father, help!
Candy was not built for the snow.
Oh my. What the heck? No.
They built this little bulldog his own slide.
Mimic, you are not a f***ing husky. Get in the house. Mimic, come on.
Before we carry on, it's absolutely roasting out there, and your dog is feeling it. Grab our favorite cooling mat using the link below. Your furry friend will love you for it. Now, back to the video. Small dogs aren't built for the snow.
Oh my god. Oh my god!
These huskies just can't help themselves. This Frenchie had instant regret. This is your official sign to get a border collie. This is the sweetest greeting ever. Look at this elegant gentleman.
Thanks, Jasper.
At least he's honest.
Even love me. You just want my snacks.
This dog looks so proud of her work.
Is that you?
This dog's training for the last samurai. Look at the pure excitement from this game.
Ready, set, banana, applesauce, bologna, go. Get your tongue off my door. Next.
This is your sign to get a golden retriever. This dog forgot that he hates water. Ever seen a dog so invested in a movie? Are they all just furry goofballs? This dog has never been more confused.
Winston, you want a puppuccino? You want a puppuccino?
Someone needs to go to Specsavers. This is the smartest little boy.
The boy. A handsome boy.
This is your official sign to get a German Shepherd. They might lack a few brain cells.
Alright, that's fine. I won't give it to you. Oh.
Are they all goofballs? Kaiser's in his own world right now.
What are you doing?
German Shepherds are a glass half full kind of breed. GSDs are big softies from birth. German Shepherds play hard.
Oh, hey, hey.
Belgian Malinois might be the most chaotic dog on the planet. They're literally mini Terminators. There's absolutely no hiding from this beast.
Up, up, up. Nice job.
This dog is just showing off at this point.
Down. Sit.
Not even a pond can stop Echo.
Echo, what are you doing? Echo, easy. Echo, 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 Echo.
Malinois are absolute beasts. A silly little cage can't hold a Belgian Malinois. This next dog has insane hops. Today, we're ranking the most chaotic Yorkie videos on the internet. The sass on this one.
Stop. Don't, I could point at you.
Yorkie versus windshield wipers. This is actually quite impressive.
How in the hell did you get way up there? You got to be kidding me.
This next dog likes to hog all the toys for inside the cage. There's not a thought inside this head.
On the road. You come back when I tell you.
Just a tad dramatic. This Yorkie is taking out his anger on these slippers.
Steven!
Today, we're ranking the goofiest dogs on the internet.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, God, Pepper.
Looks like it's a full moon out. Huskies are just full of daily surprises.
Wow. Wow.
This little guy is committed to catch. Someone needs to lay off the treats. This next dog proved that not all dogs are naturals at catch.
Oh.
This next dog is just a little jumpy. Ever seen a Great Dane zoomies? Today we're ranking dogs being absolute menaces.
No. No.
Frank does what he wants.
You need a fucking hard hat on, Frank. Steel toes, you little f***.
Did someone order a golden shower?
It's new! Come on, man! No!
This is karma. This pit bull loves to tease this trucker.
Yoink. Give it.
At least she's honest.
Wild animal in our house? Who did this? Did you do this?
These goofy dogs have a serious stick obsession. This dog will get this stick at any cost.
He's gonna drown himself.
Marley, what do you think you're doing? No!
I can feel the pain in this one. He's bitten off more than he can chew.
A stick.
Of course, the German Shepherd has the biggest stick.
So much stuff, do not get into my way, because I found a stick and I'm using.
Bruno is determined to get this stick back home.
Hey, Bruno, you don't see the problem with that?
This dog can get any stick he wants. This is your official sign to get a Great Dane. This dog doesn't know he's too big to be picked up. You might need concrete walls with a Great Dane. So big and still so needy. Who knew Great Danes could be so dramatic? So big he's used to ducking under everything. Is this next dog sitting or standing?
Why do you have my cell phone?
Never too big to sit on Dad's lap. This dog makes a trampoline look tiny.
Get up there. Oh, that's how.
This is your sign that you need to get a dachshund. This dog is precious with kisses. Why do they always fight the biggest dog? Just a tad dramatic. They don't have a lot of gas in the tank. Big dog in a small body.
Excuse me? What the hell?
That's one way to wake you up.
Pray.
This guy's ready for the board meeting.
Distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished.
This is what happens when you start acting like your dog. This dog thinks she's a Rottweiler too. This is what happens when a dog loses a bark off. This dog finally found a howling friend. This dog hates competition. Thanks for watching. If you want to treat your pup to some of our favorite products, check out the link in our bio. Have a good day, and we'll see you next time.